Hi guys! Shoutout. Congratulations.
Kalawa ko yung yan.
Ito nga pala tayo sana sa Blue Hotel. Tabaco Albay. Blue Hotel Tabaco Albay. You know? Congratulations sa lahat ng graduates. Kay Ariel Olguera, sa mga kasama niyang graduates. Congratulations po.
Ang masasabi ko ay congratulations. I'm so proud of you.
You know?
Nakatapos ka at saka
Iyak na naman.
Hindi, postpone niya muna to. When the time is right.
Ayan, Tears of Joy. Bato na eh. Sabi mo sa kapatid ko.
Ako na lang
Tama yan, give up the good work.
Aywan. Salamat. Good.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Ano papa,
Yan po, gagraduate na po yung anak ni Net OFW Vlog. Yan po si Ariel Olguera. Makikita niyo si Net OFW Vlog, katabi niya yung anak niya. Graduate na po ng IT yan. Yan po yung mga gagraduate ngayon.
Our parents are finally here.
Kaya naiyak sa sobrang tuwa, oh.
sorry guys, kasi nag-graduate.
Proud mama. Iiyak na yan. Pasok na po sila sa loob. Mag-ina, yan o.
Polytechnic Institute of Tabaco, who had carried the torch for 40 years as a pioneer in computer and engineering education in the first district of Albay.
And today, we will recognize the perseverance of these graduating students and their parents and the guardians who, despite the hardships in life, were able to rise from the challenges and soon to pursue their lifelong dreams. Through this 40th commencement exercises with the theme, exempting students to set the groundwork for the
Made our institution a refuge of knowledge, experiences, and progress. Thank you very much, graduating students. I believe that everyone is suitably acknowledged.
following their position of rules, you may offer your request or gratitude for their efforts and support.
Thank you very much, our dear graduates, and proudly wear your degree.
Congratulations.
For yourselves, ladies and gentlemen.
Congratulations, Sol! Dai! Yak! Tears of Joy!
Thank you very much.
Parang you're not excited today. Hindi ka excited today? Oh, wala sumagot. So this time gonna be a usual message. This not gonna be super formal kasi I want to have an interaction with you. Parang TED Talk mo. In the future, our IT experts are the BSIT students. Stand up. Let's give them a hand, a big hand. So thank you. You may sit down.
Unang obra, Ariel O. Makakay Albay.
Congratulations! Congratulations!
Please hear me. You must be proud of yourselves because we know that your parents, guardians, families, and teachers are all proud of you. Again, congratulations.
Congrats! Congrats! Hiling tagumpay!
Unang obra, Ariel O.
Congrats! Congrats! Saya-saya ng nanay. Overwhelmed.
Proud na nanay.
Oh, naiyak yan. Iyak yan. Tears of joy.
Mga batchmates ninyo, yan, who entered this room as students and will leave as proud graduates and alumni of Polytechnic Institute of Tobacco. Sabi nga sa kanta ng Pita Him, Hail, Pita, Hail, Hail. Thank you very much. You may now be seated.
Tungo sa ating pangalaman, tungo sa ating nagpapatid. Bibigay ang puso, alam mo, hanggang dito na lang. Ngunit ako'y ay di maikubli. Sa ating pangarap, yung nagsigaw ng tanto sa ating nagpapatibay. Itong iyaanan, buhay kayanan mo.
Your Pita family will always be praying for your success in life. Sail on and good luck.
Of your hopes to the window of your opportunities and to the most.
Okay, thank you very much and good evening everyone.
Na guys, super na yung tapos na guys.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Papa God sa pag-birthday niya sa akin.
Okay, so we request all
Tapos sa
graduates
pagbibigay niya ng
to
good
please
news kay
be here
Mama.
at the stage for the
Especially
group
kay Mama
picture
na
as requested by our
support pa sa akin
SVP.
hanggang makatapos.
Again, lahat po ng graduates dito na po
Grabe.
sa unahan for the group pictorial.
Good luck sa bagong journey.
We request all graduates dito na po sa unahan.
Congratulations! Woo! Time giant piso.
To all our faculty members and
Graduate na si Yeye.